Joshua was so compassionate. He would go that extra mile to protect someone, you know? He loved his friends. He had no time for anybody who hurt those he loved. With his anxiety, he had to go. He had to do something. He didn't want to stay still. And knowing that the snowstorm was coming, that was more drive. His plan was his friends, when the snow cleared, they were going to go out on sleds, they were going to have fun. And then he had me believe that he wasn't going nowhere. We never seen him slip past. The snow, it was impossible. You couldn't even crawl on top of the snow. We felt so helpless. We tried everything. We had several search and rescue teams. There's no words to describe the loss. We never thought that it would ever happen to us.